Good morning, student. Today we are going to solve exercise 2.2 of linear equations in one variable. Question 1 है, if you subtract 1 by 2 from a number and multiply the result by 1 by 2, you get 1 by 8. What is the number? Okay, so first select any number, subtract, let any number. So here we take number Vx. You can see here number Vx. Okay, and the condition of the question is 1 by 2 subtracted from. So from x, so here you can see 1 by 2 subtracted from x. This is our result, x minus 1 by 2. Okay, then multiply the result by 2. If you multiply 1 by 2 from this result, okay, so you get 1 by 8. Let's see how to solve this question. Look here, let the number, suppose let the number be x. Okay, here question told according to the questions 1 by 2 subtracted 1 by 2 from a number. So we take number Vx, suppose number Vx, so 1 by 2 subtracted from the number, so here x minus 1 by 2. This is our result, and multiply the result by 1 by 2. So when we subtract 1 by 2 from this number x, our result will be x minus 1 by 2. Okay, because we subtract 1 by 2 from our suppose number x. 1 by 2 subtract from the number x. Okay, so here this is 1 by 2 subtracted from x, so x is x minus 1 by 2, and the result, and multiply the result by 1 by 2. So this is our result, subtraction result, x minus 1 by 2, and multiply 1 by 2 this result. This is 1 by 2 into x minus 1 by 2. You get 1 by 8. So here we obtained 1 by 8. Suppose if any numbers and subtract from that numbers 1 by 2, and after this multiply the result by 1 by 2, then you get 1 by 8. Clear? Once again read the question. If you subtract 1 by 2 from a number and multiply the result by 1 by 2, you get 1 by 8. So here we suppose we let number Bx, subtract 1 by 2 from a number, subtract 1 by 2 from x, so our result will be x minus 1 by 2. After this is result, we multiply 1 by 2 according to the questions. We multiply 1 by 2 into x minus 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 8. Clear? So this step is this step is according to the question. Okay, multiply both sides by 2, we get, now multiplying both sides by 2 we get. You can multiply both sides, or you transposing this number 1 by 2 from that side. Okay, so it's become 2 by 1 into 2 by 1. Clear? Multiplying both sides by 2 we get. So here first we multiply 2 into 1 by 2 into x minus 1 by 2. Okay, and this is 1 by 8, so we multiply this side also 1 by 2, 2 into 1 by 2. Clear? So it's become 2 into 1 2, so 2 by 2 into in bracket x minus 1 by 2 we write as it is 2 into 1 2 by 8. Okay, so 2 will be cancelled, so here we obtain only x minus 1 by 2, and here 2 1 ja 2, 2 8, 2 4 ja 8. Clear? So we obtain here x minus 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 4. Next step, adding both sides 1 by 2 we add both side 1 by 2, or we transposing this number minus 1 by 2 to right hand side. Okay, you can transpose it, or you can add it, adding both side 1 by 2. Okay, depend on you. So both side adding 1 by 2, this is left side, this is right side. So here x minus 1 by 2 is as it is, we add 1 by 2 in left side, and is equal to right side is 1 by 4, 1 by 4 here, plus we add 1 by 2. Okay, so you can see here this is a 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, both are same but sign is minus, so it will be cancelled, it becomes 0. 1 minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 becomes 0. Okay, and here we obtain in left hand side only x, and in right hand side 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2. So LCM of 4 and 2 is 4. Okay, I hope all of you know addition and subtraction of fractions. So LCM of 4 and 2 is 4. Clear? So 4, if you divide by 4 to this 4, you obtain 1. So 1 into 1 is equal to 1. If you divide by 4 by this 2, so you obtain 2. Quotient is 2, the 2 into this 1 is equal to 2. So we obtain x is equal to 1 plus 2 by 4. Clear? So 1 plus 2 is 3. You can see here 3 by 4. X is equal to 3 by 4. This is our required number. Hence the required number is 3 by 4. So you can see whole solution in one times. Okay. This is question number 2. Question 2 have the perimeter of a rectangular swimming pool is 154 meter. Its length is 2 meter more than twice its breadth. What are the length and breadth of the pool? So from this question, you know, this is given a swimming pool, and also given the perimeter of swimming pool 154 meter. Okay, and the given condition length of and the breadth. Condition is that length is 2 meter more than twice its breadth. Okay, if you take length, first we suppose breadth, after this 2 meter twice the breadth plus 2. Okay, so let's see, this figure is swimming pool. Here given its perimeter 154 meter. This is given. The perimeter of rectangular swimming pool is 154 meter. So this is given here 154 meter, and give the condition breadth, length is 2 more than 2 times its breadth. So we suppose breadth is x meter. This is breadth, and this is length is 2 times more than 2 times its length. Okay, so this is a length 2x plus 2 meter. Okay, so student, according to question, this is our perimeter of the swimming pool. This is breadth we let, and according to 2 more, then twice its breadth. This is length 2x plus 2. Let's solution of this question. Okay, so here let the breadth of pool be x meter. Here we let x meter. Then according to the question, 2 more than 2 times of its breadth. So this is a length. Then the length of pool is equal to 2x plus 2 meter. Because in question given 2 more than twice its breadth. This is x is breadth. Here suppose 2 more than plus 2 times of breadth 2x. So length of the pool is equal to 2x plus 2 meter. Okay. In the perimeter of pool, because swimming pool is in the shape of rectangular. This is rectangular shape. So perimeter of rectangular swimming pool is 2 into L plus B. L length, this is breadth. Length plus breadth. Okay. Perimeter of swimming pool is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. LA plus B. Okay. Here perimeter is given 154 meter. This is 154 meter. This is a perimeter is equal to 2. Length is 2 plus 2x plus 2. This is length plus breadth is x meter. Okay. This is a 154. This is perimeter is equal to 2 into 2x plus 2 plus x. So this is a perimeter. Here you can see this is 2x, this is 1x. 2x, both are like terms and same variable x. Okay. Here coefficient of x is 2, here coefficient of x is 1. So 2x plus 1x is equal to 3x. Okay, plus 2 we write plus 2 as it is into 2. Okay, so next step is 154. This is perimeter is equal to 2 into 3x plus 2. Okay, so 154 is equal to, multiply 2 in bracket. So 2 into 3x is equal to 6x. 2 3 ja 6 plus 2 2 ja 4. Okay, so next step you obtain 154 is equal to 6x plus 4. Clear? Subtracting 4 from both sides we get, or we transposing this 4 to left hand side. Okay, here 4 is plus, so when we transposing 4 left hand side, it's become minus. Okay, this is two way, subtracting 4 from the both side or transposing 4 to left hand side. Okay, so it's become 154 minus 4 is equal to 6x. But here we use subtracting 4 from both side. We get, subtract 4 from left hand side is 154. So 154 minus 4. And subtracting 4 from right hand side is 6x plus 4. 6x plus 4 minus 4. Okay, so this side, left hand side, 154 minus 4, it's become 150. Clear? Is equal to 6x plus 4 minus 4. You can see here both are 4, but sign it change, opposite sign, plus 4, this is minus 4, so it will be 0. Okay, it will be 0. Plus 4 minus 4 becomes 0. So we obtain in right hand side only 6x. Okay, so dividing both sides, by 6 we get. Left hand side is 150 and the right hand side is 6x. So we divide by 6 because you can see here x is multiplied by 6. Okay, you can transposing the 6, you can transpose this 6 to left hand side. Here you can see 6 is multiplied by x, or x is multiplied by 6. If you transpose this 6 to the left hand side, then 150 is divided by 6, or you use dividing both sides by 6 we get. Okay, so dividing both sides by 6, 1 in left hand side 150 by 6, 150 divided by 6, and right hand side 6x divided by 6. So if you divide 150 by 6, we obtain 25. Okay, and 6 into 6, 6 by 6 becomes 1. So we obtain 1x or x. So x is equal to 25, or you can see x is equal to 25. So what is x? X is breadth. We suppose breadth of the pool be x. So breadth is 25 here. Okay. So length is 2 more than twice its breadth. Okay. So 2 more than twice its breadth. Breadth is, we obtain here breadth is 25 meter. So 2 into 25 plus 2. 2 more than twice its breadth. Okay, according to question. 2 into 25 becomes 50, plus 2, 52. Clear? So length of the pool is 52 meter and the breadth of the pool is 25 meter. Okay, this is your question. This is swimming pool. Perimeter is given, and this is breadth, this is length. Okay, so we suppose breadth is x and the length is 2x plus 2 meter. Perimeter of the rectangular pool is 2 into L plus V. Here this is a perimeter into 2. L length is 2x plus 2 and breadth is x. Okay, 2x plus x, 3x plus 2 is equal to 154 is equal to 154 is equal to 6x plus 4. You solve it, we obtain here subtracting from both sides, subtracting 4 from both sides, we obtain 150 is equal to 6x. Dividing both sides by 6, so here you divide, so we obtain x is equal to 25. X is breadth of the swimming pool, the breadth of the swimming pool is 25. So length is 2 more than 2 times its breadth. So breadth is 25 we obtain here, because we suppose x is breadth of the swimming pool. So 25 is 50 plus 2 is equal to 52. This is our breadth. Okay, I hope all of you understood. This is your whole solution. Let's see third question of this exercise. Student, this is a question number 3. Question 3 है, the base of an isosceles triangle is 4 by 3 centimeter. The perimeter of the triangle is 4 and 2 by 15 centimeter. What is the length of either of the remaining equal sides? Okay, so base is given here. You can see 4 by 3 centimeter and perimeter of triangle is given, and triangle is isosceles triangles. So in this triangle 2 sides are equal. Okay, such type triangles have 2 sides are equal and one side is base. So here base is given, perimeter is given. Perimeter of a triangle is sum of three sides, because okay, in this triangle two sides are equal and this is the base. So this is a figure, you can see. Suppose this triangle is isosceles triangles. This is base 4 by 3 centimeter, and this side and this side are equal. Okay, so we let this side x, this side also x. Okay, and the perimeter is given here 4 whole 2 by 15. This is a, if you convert it in improper fractions, we obtain 15 2 ja 15, 4 ja 60 plus 2, 62 by 15. Okay, this is your question. Okay, this is given. So in this question discuss a triangle. Triangle is isosceles triangles, and which base is given 4 by 3, and perimeter is also given 4 whole 2 by 15, or you can say 16 by 62 by 15, and asks what is to find length of remaining equal side. This is equal side. So suppose this is x. Okay, x centimeter. After this we solve. Okay, and you know very well the perimeter of triangle is sum of three sides. We use this formula and solve equal sides. Let's see how to solve it. Okay, so this is our solution. First we write, let each of equal side of an isosceles triangle be x. This is, you can see this is equal side, so let this is x. Okay, and perimeter of triangle is equal to sum of all three sides, one side, two side, three side. If you sum it, you obtain perimeters, and the perimeter of this triangle is given 4 whole 2 by 15, or you can say 62 by 15 centimeter. Okay, so perimeter of triangle is this, we write here, and the sum of all three sides x, both sides are same equal, and this is a base 4 by 3 given. Okay, so convert it in improper fraction, we obtain 62 by 15. Okay, so here you can see x plus x both are like, and the coefficient of x is 1 and this coefficient is also 1, so we add the coefficient, so 1 plus 1 becomes 2x. Okay, plus 4 by 3 we write as it is. Okay, and here you can see 4 by 3, so we can transpose 4 by 3 in left hand side, or subtracting 4 by 3 from the both side we get. So here we subtract 4 by 3 from both sides, so in left hand side we obtain 62 by 15 minus 4 by 3 is equal to 2x plus 4 by 3 minus 4 by 3. 2x plus 4 by 3 in left hand side, and we subtract minus 3 from the, in right hand side we subtract from the minus 4 by 3 in right hand side. So you can see here for plus 4 by 3 and minus 4 by 3. Okay, both are same but opposite sign, so it will be cancelled. Okay, it will be cancelled. So here we obtain only 2x in right hand side, and in left hand side 62 by 15 minus 4 by 3. So LCM of 3 and 15 is 15. Okay, so 15 1 ja 15 and 62 1 ja 62. Clear? When you divide 15 by 3 we obtain 5. So 5 4 ja 20 minus 20. Okay, so 62 minus 20 it's become 42 by 15 is equal to 2x. 42 by 15 is equal to 2x. Clear? And simplify it. 42 by 15 divide both by 3. 42 divided by 3 and 15 divided by 3, then we simplify it. So it becomes 14 3 ja 42 and 5 3 ja 15. If we divide numerator and denominator by 3, we obtain 14 by 5, and right hand side is 2x as it is. Now 14 by 5 is equal to 2x. We separate these two from x. Okay, so we can transposing to left hand side or dividing both side by 2, we get. So here we divide both sides in left hand side and right hand side by 2. So 14 by 5 into 2 is equal to 2x by 2. So here 14 divided by 2, we obtain 7. Okay, so our result is 14 divided by 2, so our result will be 7 by 5. Okay, because here we obtain 7 as a quotient, and here in right hand side 2x by 2, so 2 cancel, 2 divided by 2 it becomes 1, or here 1x, or you can say x. So x is our each equal side of isosceles triangles. Okay, so value of x is 7 by 5. So you can write the value of x 7 by 5, or you can change it in whole fraction, 1 whole 2 by 7 centimeters. Okay, hence each equal sides of isosceles triangles is 1 whole 2 by 5. Let's see one more times and try to understand. So you can see here question is given. The base of an isosceles triangle is 4 by 3 centimeters. The perimeter of the triangle is 4 whole 2 by 15 centimeters. What is the length of either of the remaining equal sides? Okay, and this is a figure. This is isosceles triangles. It have 3 sides, 1 2 3. This is base is given. Base is given 4 by 3 centimeters, and the perimeter is also given. Perimeter is also given. This triangles 4 whole 2 by 15 centimeter. You convert it in improper fraction, we obtain 62 by 15 centimeters. Okay, and in this way we find here the question asks the length of the remaining equal sides. So we first suppose or let each of equal sides of isosceles triangles be x. Okay, so perimeter of the triangle is sum of all 3 sides, here 1 2 3 sides. So perimeter is given 62 by 15, or 4 whole 2 by 15 is equal to sum of 3 sides. So x plus x, this is a equal side because the triangle is isosceles triangles, and plus 4 by 3 this is given, and we need to find the value of x. Okay, so we have done 62 by 15 is equal to 2x plus 4 by 3, and subtracting both sides, subtracting 4 by 3 from both sides, so we obtain this, and in the right hand side 4 by 3 minus 4 by 3 will be cancelled. This is plus 4 by 3, this is minus 4 by 3, this is cancelled, it becomes 0, you can see, and in the right hand side we obtain 2x, and in left hand side 62 by 15 minus 4 by 3. Okay, so LCM of 3 and 15 is 15, and we can solve. We obtain 42 by 15 is equal to 2x, or we simplify it, we obtain 14 by 5 is equal to 2. Okay, and if we divide both sides by 2, we obtain this, and divide 14 divided by 2 obtains 7 by 5 is equal to x. Clear? So x is equal to 7 by 5, or you can say x is equal to 1 whole 2 by 5 centimeters. Okay. Hence each equal side of isosceles triangles is 1 whole 2 by 5. Clear?